Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect the Soundcore R50i NC Earbuds to any smart TV. So first things first, you have to put them into pairing mode. So simply remove them from the case and place them into pairing mode. Now to place them on the pairing mode, all you have to do is press and hold both earbuds. Press and hold the Anchor logo on both earbuds for about 3 to 5 seconds, and that will put them into pairing mode. Now once they're in pairing mode, all you have to do is go to the Bluetooth settings on your TV. So for me, I'm using a smart TV. So I'll just go to settings and then select all settings. And then scroll down and select connection. And then scroll down and again and select Bluetooth devices. Now from here, it will scan for any available Bluetooth device. So all you have to do is simply scroll down until you find your Soundcore R50i NC earbuds. There they are. So all I have to do is simply select on them and then select pair and connect. So click on that. And then you should see it saying connecting to your earbuds. And now once they are connected, you should see the Soundcore R50i NC indicating that they have been connected. Now from here, you can simply close this menu. And then from here now you can listen to any music, YouTube, or any other thing that you'd like to listen using your earbuds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.